the Panda and Kiki Show.
So here's
There's Panda and Kiki and Hilarity. People come to watch our show, our show, our show, our show. And they don't know what they're waiting for, waiting for, waiting for. People think we're hilarious, hilarious. So we're better than games, better than games, better than games. So remember there's hilarity, 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 hilarity. So watch the Panda and Kiki Show, yo! Well, that's our theme song. And Amanda has a little brother trying. So, I'm here. So, okay, if you guys have any requests for mini episodes, any songs you want us to dance to, topics for Panda and Kiki Show, or anything else like that, like you guys want to have a dance battle with us or anything like that,
what she said.
we will talk back to you.
If you guys think you can take
Us with the choreographed team and everything.
we have a professional teacher. She's been in dance for a whole year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've been
experiencing
musicals, musicals and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So
we just called.
wow. Okay, so Panda and Kiki Show. We are going to talk about our videos.
Okay.
I hope you like them.
Bye.
Bye.